Hi everyone and welcome to our online classroom for science fiction. My name is Miss Brenner and I am going to be your language arts science fiction instructor for the 2020-2021 school year. So there are several different classrooms and two different functioning styles of classrooms. So we're going to go through all of that today. At the top of our Schoology page, there are several different buttons that are all different colors, having different purposes and different hyperlinks. The first button that we see there is a red button that says Red Phase Schedule. If for any reason, if you are a home hybrid learner or a in-person face-to-face learner, we should, for some reason, go to a red phase schedule. That schedule is posted there in case you need to know what time to Zoom into your classes. Next to that is the Home Hybrid Zoom link. So if you click on that orangey yellow colored button, it'll take you directly to our classroom Zoom, which is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, or for Red Phase Day. I also have office hours on Wednesdays from 10:30 to 11:30, which is in that light blue button. So if you click there, it'll take you to the office hours. All right, then we have our streaming notice, which is in the purple button. That streaming notice just goes over any kind of information that has to do with netiquette, how to log into your Schoology page, and other such important information. Bear News would be our YouTube channel that goes over the daily news for students, and then our weekly agenda. Now, for our weekly agenda, this would be a YouTube video every week that goes over what we're expected to accomplish throughout that week, such as assignments, due dates, tests, things of that nature. However, I'm sure as you have experienced, this school year has led to a lot of unexpected rescheduling. And so that is definitely up for change. There is a lot that could happen throughout the week, such as having a large number of students not able to attend our class face-to-face, which changes discussions or maybe alters due dates. Maybe we have a snow day. Things could happen. So please be flexible and understanding that our weekly agenda that we have on Monday might look different by the time we reach Friday. And I appreciate your understanding and flexibility with that matter. So that is on our face-to-face / home hybrid Schoology page. For our online students, the only difference is that there's an online attendance update for 2020. That is, you need to be logging into your Schoology account at least 5 times throughout the week. So that way they can track your attendance to show that you are completing work. Alrighty. So as we scroll down a little bit, we can see that we have several different folders. The folders that we are looking at are this red one at the top. That red folder is for any time that I would be absent and you would have a substitute instructor. That folder would be what you would be using. So it would be sub and then the date that I would not be in class with you. It will include any materials that you guys will need for that class period, along with a video that goes over the expectations for that class period when I cannot be with you. Then we have our green folder, which is our virtual classroom procedures. This includes a copy of the family streamer notice, which is just information about how to properly use Zoom, netiquette, and things of that manner, along with our different videos as far as phase changes from green, yellow, and red, along with a red phase video that goes over the schedule and how to attend class, things of that matter, how attendance is logged for red phase day, along with our online tour, which you are on right now, and a welcome video, and a couple other videos are going to pop up in that folder. We also have our Zoom sessions here, so if for some reason you're not able to use the buttons at the top, you can also access the Zoom links for our classroom in that orange folder. Then we have our silent tracking sheet. We silently read every day for 15 minutes, and we log it in our silent reading logs, which are accordance to the number of weeks that we have in class. So we would be starting off with the log for weeks 1 through 4. This is similar to what you can find on the online students Schoology page. So the only difference is the subfolder. We do not have a subfolder for students that are completely online. That means that you are not Zooming into class at any time. The only difference is the subfolder because you are self-paced and therefore if I am absent, it doesn't really impact when your work is due or the work that you should be working on throughout the week. All right, and then we have weekly folders, so we're going to be starting with week 1. In week 1, we always have an agenda video that goes over exactly what is expected for that week. I also have slides available, so if you need to go back, you can watch the video or have the slides up at the same time, so that way you can read it on your own. Activities 1 and 2 is going to be going over introduction pieces such as the syllabus, netiquette, how to record on Schoology, things of that manner, how to use different tools, and then course information. Every Wednesday, we are asynchronous, so we have creative writing and maybe some sort of, for the first week, we have a Slate quiz, which is a reading survey, just so that way I get to know your reading interests and your reading levels. And then we have different activities, so activities 3 and 4, which would typically happen on Thursday and Friday. We have introduction videos, so that way I can get to know you and you can get to know me. And then activities 5 and 6 are going to be just review. So this has to do with the reading survey that you did on Wednesday. It's just a little bit of quick quizzes, so that way I can get to know your reading levels. And then a discussion to go over what you silently read that week. And those are all the materials found in the week 1 folder. Once again, there is an agenda video that goes over all of those different materials more in depth, but this is just a tour to give you an idea as to what every week looks like for the most part. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. Once again, my name is Miss Brunner, and my email is brenners@mannheimcentral.org. I hope you guys all stay happy and healthy, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.